Okay, so we'll proceed on solar system. So we have kind of Mars now. Okay, so this is a kind of solar system, and we have Earth and Moon that is visible, and if we see right, then the distance between the Sun and Earth almost equal distance. There is another planet in the sky that is also known as the red planet. That is Mars. Okay. And it is really red. Okay. And if we want to see okay, so it's north and south. Both has icebergs. Okay, so Mars has two natural satellites. There are two moons. Okay, one moon is near to the Mars, and its name is Phobos, and it is not a circle the way we are showing. Okay, it is kind of little irregular in shape. And another is Deimos, and that is little far. So two natural satellites Mars has. Okay, so Mars rotates on its own axis, the way Earth rotates. Mars is also tilted like Earth. Earth is tilted. Earth is tilted around 23 degrees, whereas Mars is tilted 25 degrees. Okay, so Mars makes rotation on its own axis, and it takes about 24.6 hours. So it is called 1 sols. Okay, so that is 24.6 hours. And Mars also rotates around Sun. Okay, so Mars has its own axis, around Sun, and it rotates around the Sun. On its tilted angle. Okay, so taking its two natural satellites, two moons, it rotates around Sun. Okay, so these are the kind of feature of Mars. Okay, so Phobos rotates on its own axis, and whereas Deimos rotates on its own axis. Okay, now let's see what happens in the sky. Means a person kind of standing on the earth, obviously person will stand on earth. Okay, so we can remove these guys. Okay, so what will happen if a person standing on earth, and suppose the red spot is person standing on earth, and what it sees, how it sees a kind of Mars. Okay, so Mars also make kind of rotation around Sun. Okay, what we have seen, kind of Venus and Mercury, since they are near to Sun than Earth, a person standing on Earth, he never sees Venus and Mercury, they coming on their head. Okay, but Mars comes on its head. Person standing on red spot we can see, and Mars comes on its head. Okay. So if it is kind of evening, then it appears like from east to west something passes, and then now it can be seen early morning, and then full day it can be seen. Means it is not cannot be seen through naked eye, but this is how it is. Then in evening it will start seeing from east, and it will travel to the. Okay. So this is the kind of story of Mars. Okay, we can little bit lighten it. There is no harm in it. So Earth is visible, and Mars is also. Okay, so this is how Mars moves, and it appears coming from east, going towards west, and then in morning it can be seen, then full day it can be seen, then again evening. So it's make round around the sun, kind of 687 Earth days. Otherwise, if it rotates on its own axis, then 666 around those many sols it takes.